Yes, no, it's nice to be here. I used to do stand-up. I stopped for a long time, and I've recently got back to it. This is a photo of me from the before times. It's like being haunted by your own ghost. Your own thin ghost. It's sort of like a picture of Dorian Gray, but in reverse, isn't it? This is sort of young and lithe and cat-hipped, as I've grown withered and destroyed. Do you got any trigger warnings? Yes, my actual face. But yeah, do you know, actually, it's one of the few times that I can actually genuinely do that stand-up cliche. I know what you're thinking. You've let yourself go. But so no, I stopped for a long time because I became my son's carer. My son's autistic. I know you're thinking, well, that's brilliant, Dad, isn't it? Isn't that wonderful? Dad, aren't you just a brilliant person, Dad? Dad, isn't that fantastic of you, Dad? I mean, how wonderful of you to have done that, Dad, to have sacrificed your career, to have put it on hold, to look after yourself. You're thinking, oh my God, Dad, you're so brilliant! There I am, just a smut peddler, and you a carer for a child? This is brilliant, Dad, oh my God! Oh God, Dad, why are you so wonderful and I am here nothing! I am nothing compared to you, I don't even fit to lick your boots! And I say thank you, it's not for me to say. But I am, the reason my son's autistic and I am autistic, if you haven't guessed. But people say, oh Dan, it must be dreadful suffering from autism. And I think, I don't suffer from autism. You suffer from my autism. I'm having a fabulous time. I mean, like, right. Like, I sit there and I think about it. People go, oh, it's a bit like being a superhero, isn't it, Dad? It'll be like being a superhero. I think, no, it shouldn't be like being a superhero. It should be being like a supervillain. Because, frankly, in terms of what I think being autistic amongst neurotypicals is like, is that I think Magneto was right. I think we should be ruling you people. Frankly, I mean, I don't know how you do it. Imagine waking up in the morning and not writing a list. Oh, I might just raw dog time. Oh. Oh, hello, I'm just going to make eye contact with you. Like two sharks trying to fuck.